Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you are new, then hi, I'm Zina, and today I'll show you how to make this quick and easy voluminous bun. So begin by making a parting, and we want to brush the rest backwards, and then you want to select our top section behind our ears like I'm showing, and tie a ponytail. But the last time, make sure to pull your hair only halfway through and bring it upwards, fan around like I'm showing, and pin it in place from both sides. Now you want to grab the rest of your hair, make a ponytail as well, and the last time make sure to repeat and pull your hair only halfway through. Like so. The ends that are sticking out you want to bring to one side, fan out your loop like I'm showing, and pin it from both sides as well. Now I'll use some grips to fix my loops in place. Then, grabbing the ends of the ponytail, you want to bring it upwards and tuck her into the elastic like I'm showing, leaving the ends out. If your hair is longer, it will look even better. Now you want to fan out the ends and the loop as well. And you're done! Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this effortless and voluminous bun. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys so much. See you soon. Bye.